Step into a world where strength meets elegance with CASTICO. Imagine the feel of solid, natural stone underfoot. No flexing, no hollow sounds, just the reassuring solidity of a shower base crafted to last. With every detail thoughtfully designed, CASTICO invites you to choose from a selection of shower walls and bases with a variety of sizes and finishes that can be trimmed to fit any space. Built for elegance, longevity, and safety, and backed by our limited lifetime warranty, CASTICO brings timeless beauty and resilience into your home. Elevate your shower experience and make it unmistakably yours with CASTICO.